my name is Daniel and I'm 13 years old and I'm grade 6. I'm supposed to be at tingkatan 1, but except I'm still at grade 6. And I liked it in the end. And how do I get top 10 ring? Well, I'll tell you why. How do I get to top 10 3? It's because I do science because I like it very much. Because the science went to level 5, which is hard for me, but in the end I got to level 48. It was hard, but it will do, I guess. Yes, it will do. And what's my favorite Pandai? The one, I like the badges. I start with an island and then I grow more until to T-Rex. And the strikes, I'm not very good at it. I get the first strike. And 2, I like the science because I learned some stuff about it, like bacteria, animals, science rule, and some other stuff, of course. And how much I Pandai? Well, it's nice. Like I get to learn something very okay. But now I'm just like it. Like it's like like you start at first and then you're pro. It's just tough. But in the end, it's not tough anymore. So yeah, bye.